Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the part 2 of the LINQ tutorial series. In the last video we have performed the conditional data retrieval. So we saw the query syntax, method syntax. Now in this video we are going to sort all the employees based on the salary. So this is the question. If you see, sort all the employees in the descending order by salary, then pick top 2 employees. Now how can we proceed? Now let's write the query for the query syntax. For emp equals to from e in employees ordered by. So we have a keyword, right? You can see ordered by. So order by e dot salary descending. We have to put descending because we are trying to sort all the employees in descending order based on the salary. So after descending we'll just need to write select e. So once we are done, we can sort all the employees. So if you hover on this is I enumerable or I ordered enumerable type, because this is an ordered query. So if I run this application, let's see what we get. Ideally we should be getting Jack because Jack has the highest salary, and after that we should be getting Lisa, then Julia, and then David. So let's see. You can see first name is Jack, then Lisa, Julia, and David. Now if we are asked to pick the top 2 employees, how can we do that? So I'm just stopping the execution. So we have to wrap this entire query first. So after wrapping the entire query, put dot, and there will be an extension method which is a take. So you have to use the take method, and we have to pass the number of employees that we want to fetch or we want to display. So here the number of employees is 2. So if I put 2, then it will give me only top 2 employees based on the salary. Okay, now if I run this application again, you can see I'm getting only 2 employees. So this is the query syntax. Now let's see the method syntax. So method syntax would be like this: employees dot, there is an extension method which is order by descending. If you see here, order by descending. So you have to use this extension method, and after that we have to pass the lambda expression. So the lambda expression would be looking like this: e dot salary, and after that we have to take only 2 employees, right? So 2, we have to pass 2 within the take extension method. So that is the method syntax. If I run this query, so we are getting the same output. So that's all for today's video, and if you like this channel, if you like the content, please like the video, comment, and if you have any query you can comment. I will try to resolve and subscribe to this channel. Thank you everyone.